Plumb 365 on May 1st, 2017 at 15945 Vespar in Valley Center. We are now zeroed at the beginning of the pipe. We just started pushing in. We have done a thorough hydrojet flush of all the outside drain pipes from the beginning point at the end of this trough along the driveway to where it's discharging and where the line has been opened at the edge of the driveway in the back. And we're now going to run this camera in to get an accurate scope of the condition of the line and the grade of the line. So you can see right here we've hit a low spot where it's collected a little bit of water. We're at about 44 feet.
To make sure you indicates the pipe is
low. Yeah, so what we see here is where the water's holding at this junction. Go ahead, push in, Richie. Tiny bit. Right there. You can see that this is puddling up, which is a low spot in the line, causing water to settle. Definitely needs to be addressed. We're going to now locate exactly where this spot is at 44 feet, 8 inches. And we've just pushed through to the other edge of the belly, the low spot. Now we're at 52 feet. So we're going to continue to push through to see what the condition of the pipe, the rest of the pipe looks like. Go ahead. You saw that we just went through another deep belly, a sagging point in the line. We're going to go ahead and locate this point where we just surfaced again. So we're going to resume recording. We've just marked out all the low spots up to this 64-foot mark. We are going to continue to push through and see what else we can find as far as debris or low spots within the line. As you can see right here, we're hitting another low spot. Not as deep as the first one. We're continuing through this low spot. We've just surfaced again. we're going to go ahead and push through this belly to the other end and locate where it surfaces. We've gone the distance 76.8 feet from the trough entrance by the front gate. We are now going to pull back and reset from the area drains on the driveway to get a clear picture and condition at that point. We had just put the camera in the area drain by the bench on the right side of the garage. And as you can see that when we go in, we got the pipe holding a little bit of water. Starts right about here and resurfaces at the other end of the connection. It's still underwater through here.
Is this a matter of in particular case, the slab had settled in the back kitchen area about somewhere over an inch and a quarter?
There's one thing that I've noticed out here, a lot of ladybugs.
Ladybugs do eat
Eat bugs,
flies,
yeah. And I thought that too when I was out here the other day. You can see here we're going now. We've just readjusted and we are pushing in from the gutters, the gutter drop on the right side of the garage. And as you can see, is as we go in, we are holding water, a low spot right here initially. Hold on. Boom. There you go. Boom. All right. See. Too many tunes.
I can't go anymore. Just because of the turn.
Let's figure it out. Let me know.
Pull that lid. Let's put this guy in there.
Yes, sir. Pedro, Adrian, and Jose.
Good.
parts about a half hour ago, but I couldn't. I have to be here. Are you ready to mark something, Dave? What color do you need?
You know, nothing just yet. Or you know, bring the green over.
Okay.
See, water would normally help lubricate it to get it pushed through, you know. So if you ever get into that spot where you're having problems getting it through there, get some water flowing.
I actually told him to put the jackhammer.
You just got some dirt on it?
I don't know where we're at.
Of course not.
All right, let me shut this off. Let's let that settle down for a minute. You get low spot from here to here. Right here, even where the connection is, this whole stretch from here to here is settled down, and it's settled up to where it connects the T right here. This whole thing.
So
From that drain cuts straight across to a T right here. Boom. And then where it.
Here, I'll let you mark it, Dave.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you mark it in orange. And
Yep.
I'll mark the outside with green.
Here, so you're gonna be. We're right here, so the belly exists from.
Just give me the dot. Ooh,
Like that,
the
all
dot.
right. Just dots.
Yeah.
And then boom. Right there. So that T right there is where the belly is.
Your tip's clogged on this baby. Take your glove and clean that nipple.
Yeah.
Oh, don't get it hard, Dave. Just clean it. Cat milking. Remember, Meet the Fockers?
Yeah.
I mean, the milk cat.
Yeah. Little teats.
So all the way from right here?
Yep. Yeah. This line is definitely settled.
All that is low. What a shame.
Oh, we got another low spot here.
How far are we out?
Well, I'm about 26 feet.
That way, Dave?
Yep. Yeah. Actually, it's the whole thing. Still got water settled.
So we were at 10 inches right here. Look. So let me understand what's going on here. If they had just started at like 6 inches,
Yep.
they would have had plenty of fall, right?
Oh yeah, if they started shallow, yeah, they would have made it because they would have started high. This is going back on the water. This whole.
Okay, let's get the marking point where it goes on
Yep.
the water. Not good.
Well, it's actually. I mean, it's holding water flat all the way through.
Tell me where the starting point is, and then let's go where we're deep underwater over here.
Yeah, I mean, but it's the whole stretch is actually.
Underwater?
Yeah, I mean, it's all holding water, but then you go deeper, and then it's still holding a little bit of water and deeper. Let me see.
Well, let's go put an orange spot where you're at, Dave.
Yep. Let me just see if I can get past this. Though. I want to see if I.
Remember we had to negotiate a few sanitary teeth the first time, right?
Yeah, like I think that's where I'm at right now. I can't make the this is the final push right here.
You gotta pull it out and put some lube on it. Big boy, you. Whoa.
What the hell is that? You see that?
Yeah. What was it?
Let's see. Still some dirt right there from where it's settled.
How much?
A little bit.
Probably rolled back with the water, huh, Dave?
Well, yeah. Or I mean, it's hard to get everything out of if it's a low spot.
Yeah, I understand.
It's all settling right there, you know. So we're 45.
Let's get more.
45 feet.
to 45?
Yep. Let me see. Let's see this guy pause. So we are at the lateral tie-in to the main run from the smaller area drains in front of the garage. And we're going to pull back just to get a look at the condition and the water level as we pull back in this lateral line. And you can see right now as I'm pulling back, we're clearly underwater at this time. We're now starting to pull up out of the water. This water's got to be at least a couple inches deep. Now we're starting to surface back out. You still see a little bit of residual on the bottom.
It's so awesome, John.
Yeah.
It really is.
All right, go for it. So we're going to continue to pull back, see where the line drops again. Seems to be level at this time. All right, go forward again. So we're going to start drawing back here. We know that we're going to start dropping down into some water. So we've marked the beginning point of this. We're going to now draw back. We're underwater at this point. And we're starting to resurface it right here. Still a little bit of debris in the line. You coming? Okay, right there. Stop right there. So you can see from where we made our inlet point at the cut line just after the edge of the driveway in the back. We are now at 47 feet. We have multiple bellies that have been marked along the way. We're going to continue on in. On our way back, we'll specify the areas that we're talking about with the bellies. Go ahead, Richie.
Go back and go forward.
Forward. Okay, hold on. Go a little bit more. All right, right there. Okay, right there. Okay, ready? Go forward. Right here. As you can see, we're about to go back on the water. We're going to locate the start of this point as well. As you can see, we are 58 feet 10 inches from the open hole. We're going to continue in. We're going through another belly at this point. We're going to go ahead and locate both ends. Go ahead, Richie. All right, right there, Richie. Now we're going to go ahead and locate that spot where we've surfaced. All right, we're going to continue the inspection. We're going to go forward here, see what else we can find in the pipe. Go ahead. All right, Richie, stop right here. All right, we're going to go ahead and locate this spot. There's a lateral to the left. Want to see what that's coming from? We're now in the French drain along the retaining wall around the property, going along the side of the garage. So we're going to now continue in and get a clear picture on the condition of this pipe. Go ahead, Richie. Go slow. Hold on, Richie. Pull back. All right, go forward. Hold on, slow down. All right. Go ahead. But just don't go so fast, just ease it in there. All right. It's looking good. what we have here is our friend, the mouse. Mousy ain't doing so well no more. He's scared. Mousy looks scared in the pipe. Mousy shouldn't be in pipe. Mousy gotta leave pipe.